All right. Hopefully, this is the last time I'm going to try and record this today. Part 5 of Mr. Tippy, where allegedly we get it to look, customize the appearance. Stick some words by the seek bar describing how great or how awful your tip is going to be. I've got Ladybug, and Raul does not have a Ladybug. And it's at this point today where he's creating a theme from scratch faster than I can even watch. It would take me an hour to recreate what he does in not 2 minutes, I swear. And that's just frustrating, very frustrating. The tempo at which I've seen some of these tutorials go is they're assuming that you know what they know, I think. And they're not remaining cognizant of the fact that there's brand new people out here who might scratch an itch to learn how to build an app or two. But boy, am I discouraged after this final bit here. I mean, we're going back. We're going to change the front end layout. I'm sure I could do this, but just changing the background color was not working for me. And something that basic, if something that basic isn't working for me, then I just have to stop. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just throwing in the towel on Mr. Tippy for a while here. I may or may not come back to it someday just to conquer it. But for now, I'm going to move on to other tutorials and see if I can't be a little more successful and less frustrated there. And it's just going to boil down to the version of Android Studio that everybody's working with. Lots of tutorials out there, and they're old. They're just old. They're 7 years old. They're 3 years old. They're 5 years old. This one here, Build Your First Android App with Raul. It's only a couple of years old, but it's way out of date. And it's the behaviors that he's getting from his Android Studio are not what I'm able to get mine to sit up and do. And mine does stuff unexpectedly while he's typing away furiously, concatenating things or formatting decimal points. All I had to do is hit tab, and I skipped 10 minutes of his tutorial, just because Android Studio has gotten that much more intuitive, I suppose. So I'm going to come back to something else a little bit later. Not liking this. This is where it gets hard, and I'm sure this is where people get paid the big bucks. And if I were able to do that, I'd be out there looking for some bucks too. But I'm just doing this so I can create my own app that, frankly, isn't going to require much math. Thank God. So, like, subscribe, come back, watch again, or not. Can't really say. But have a good one.